In today's video, we review what the ex-vegan Yovana is now eating in a day. Roll the titles.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As always, just a quick reminder that I'm now offering the SIBO organic acid stool test and consult via my website. So if you have any health or digestive problems, then consider taking these tests, as they will provide a lot of very detailed information upon which you can start making informed decisions and then start getting your health back on track. And on that bombshell, to the video.
Just finished working out and now I'm gonna make my post-workout smoothie.
So Yovana's video is titled What I Eat in a Day 6 Months Postpartum. So the first thing that I would say is credit where credit is due, that she is working out and trying to look after her body. The motivation to get up in the mornings and exercise is difficult as it is for many of us, but to also throw in a newborn baby into that equation speaks volumes about Yovana's work ethic.
5 ingredients in my smoothie today: a banana, half an avocado for healthy fats, Primal Kitchen collagen peptides, unflavored.
So you know where I'm going with this. Yovana developed SIBO and then stated that she was incorporating animal foods into her diet because it would give her complete nutrition. Fast forward to this video, and apparently a nutritionally complete diet is propped up with unnecessary powders. Go figure.
And then this protein powder, Ritual. It's vanilla flavor and it's especially made for pregnancy and postpartum. It contains choline, which is an essential amino acid when a woman is pregnant or in postpartum. So one thing I really like about Ritual is that all of their ingredients are traceable, so you can get to the origin of where they source each ingredient.
Again, all great, but you put animal foods into your diet to get complete nutrition, so why would you need to supplement with any nutrient?
And finally, some mixed frozen berries.
Love a good berry smoothie first thing in the morning.
1 scoop of collagen, 1 scoop of protein. So for the mixed berries, I just eyeball it. I don't really measure anything.
Why on earth would you need to measure berries or any other food going on your plate or in your smoothie?
But I'm guessing it's like a cup of frozen berries. Finally, some ice, and this is gonna make the smoothie have like a very thick consistency, which I personally like. So about 4 cubes of ice.
So I'm gonna be really facetious here. Apparently water is going to thicken up the smoothie. Go figure.
And now we blend. Smoothie's ready.
I must admit that's a nice thick smoothie. Must be the ice cubes.
Look how good this looks. Oh, let's try it. Delicious. Finally, just gonna add a little bit of bee pollen for a little crunch. Yummy yummies.
Something else that is non-essential in the diet.
After my smoothie, coffee. I have a cup of coffee every day, well, almost every day. And I like to make my coffee here in the Chemex. I don't know how you say it. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video on how I make my coffee with this.
Tempted, but no.
It's so, so good. And I like my coffee black. No sugar, no milk, nothing. I feel like that's the only way you can really taste like the bean. And I love coffee. And I've liked it like this since I was a little girl.
I must admit, I do miss the occasional coffee. My body is just not good with it, and it's like I've taken amphetamines when I drink it, so therefore I avoid. Occasional cups are fine, but so many people today prop themselves up with this stuff and are overly reliant on it.
I'm gonna have a little snack right now. I'm gonna edit a video, and I am gonna have some Greek yogurt with berries. All right, just had a little bit of Greek yogurt left over. I mixed it with some berries, and I prefer Greek yogurt because it's higher in protein.
Because between breakfast and that scoop of protein powder and now, you might have become a little protein deficient, hey?
So, get the good fats and good protein.
Typical content per 150 gram serving of plain whole milk Greek style yogurt is 15.3 gram of fat to 10.2 gram of saturated fat. Is that the healthy fat you're referring to, Yovana?
First, I'm gonna make my dressing for lunch. These are the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Primal Kitchen is the one that I use. I love it. Organic and extra virgin. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
That's a chunk of olive oil for a dressing.
Now, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard.
Let me just stop it here. So I always find it particularly interesting when these apparent ethical ex-vegans go so far the other way, where honey and bee pollen are now apparently healthy and also now ethical based on the fact that she had SIBO.
1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and salt and pepper to taste, and salt. Alrighty.
I'm trying to imagine what that would taste like with all of that oil, the apple cider vinegar, and all of that sweetness. A weird combo.
I'm gonna make a broccoli salad, and the first ingredient is broccoli. This is steamed broccoli that I have from last night's dinner that was left over. It's just broccoli steamed, and that's it. Next ingredient is 2 boiled eggs.
Again, a bit of a weird pairing, but let's see where she goes from here.
Half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of red onion. This is 1 little sweet potato, just cut in half and roasted in the oven.
Look, there is certainly a little bit of nutrition in that bowl, but is it me or is that just the weirdest combination of food?
And now I am gonna add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the dressing to my salad, and it'll be ready. Here is my salad. Looks so good, and as you saw, it was very simple to make.
I mean, you're going to be ravenous within 7 minutes of eating that.
The dressing adds so much flavor, and my carb is going to be sweet potato. Yummy yummies. I love the combination of avocado and broccoli. I know avocado goes with basically anything.
Go and stand in the corner and think about what you've just said. Flip-flop avocado does not go with everything. And what type of sicko demented person are you? It's like eating soft rubber.
But especially with broccoli, it's really good. Delicious. Dressing is so good.
Look, I enjoy eating broccoli as much as the next person, and we all put it on our plates because it's good for us. But a bowl full of the stuff is certainly not going to do much for your appetite. Even with the eggs and salad dressing, the calories are fairly low.
I have a delicious pineapple here that's been chopped, and I'm going to serve myself some pineapple with a little bit of cottage cheese as a snack.
Is it just me, or are these some of the weirdest food combos ever? Maybe she's still dealing with digestive problems.
And all I do is just add a little bit to my fruit. It's a good source of protein and fat, and overall helps to balance out the sugar in fruit.
What is it about these protein obsessions?
Look how good. Simple and delicious.
Granola, cottage cheese, and pineapple. Am I missing something here, or is this actually a thing?
Okay, so I am getting dinner ready, and I'm drinking this like sparkling water tea. It's called Sound, and it has rose extract, hibiscus extract, lime extract, citric acid, cardamom extract. You can see it right here.
I'm surprised it's not a protein shake, just in case she's running a little low.
I am cooking some pasta, just some regular organic. I'm not gonna have a lot of it. This is mostly for Dorian. And here I am marinating some chicken hearts.
And the day just gets weirder and weirder. Apparently chicken hearts is now a thing.
From the farmer's market. And these are so good, you guys. Like, I know this sounds really weird that I'm eating chicken hearts, but I've been eating organ meat for the last year and a half, or year, for the last year. and I'm really digging them. So I have the juice of lemon and a lime and the peel as well, shredded, with some sea salt and chipotle powder.
I'm sorry, but that's the worst looking thing that I've seen on the internet since I saw this dude eat raw chicken.
And then I'm gonna make some veggies on the side, and I have some ground Wagyu, grass-fed Wagyu beef right here as well.
Just in case those protein levels drop again.
I'm gonna cook everything with ghee because it sustains high heat.
The amount of oil and saturated fat that has gone into her body already is crazy, particularly when you consider that she was once raw vegan. So here is dinner. I am gonna have some chicken heart with some ground beef and bell peppers and zucchini. Those chicken hearts still look vile even when cooked.
All right, and for dessert, I am gonna have a little piece of Honey Mama's chocolate cake. This is my favorite dark chocolate of all time. It's made with honey. You keep it in the fridge, and it's just delicious.
Isn't it a good job that bee populations aren't declining around the world? But as long as the chocolate tastes good, I suppose. As a day of eating, what can you say? Weird, and at times gross. Anyhow, that's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this one, then be sure to check out this one up here on how you fix gut issues so you don't end up eating things like chicken hearts. And the only other thing that's left for me to say is to remember to look after your body because it's the only place you have to live. And I'll see you next time.